Prepare for an exciting moment in space exploration. Today, SpaceX is set to launch Northrop Grumman's largest cargo spacecraft, the Cygnus XL, on its inaugural mission to the International Space Station, ISS. This thrilling event will take place this evening, September 14th, and you can catch all the action live. The launch is scheduled for 6:11 p.m. EDT, 22:11 GMT, from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. Utilizing a Falcon 9 rocket to carry the Cygnus freighter into orbit, both SpaceX and NASA will provide live coverage of the launch, starting approximately 30 minutes prior to liftoff. If you're interested, Space.com will also stream the event, provided the feed is available. This mission, designated NG-23, marks the 23rd cargo delivery that Northrop Grumman has conducted for NASA to the ISS. It's particularly noteworthy as it represents the first launch of the Cygnus spacecraft since August 2024, when the previous mission, NG-21, took place. Initially, NG-22 was slated to follow in January of this year, but it faced delays due to avionics issues and was ultimately canceled in late March after the Cygnus spacecraft sustained damage during its transport to the launch site. The NG-23 mission will showcase the Cygnus XL, a more advanced and larger version of its predecessor. While the earlier model was capable of transporting around 8,500 pounds, approximately 3,855 kilograms, of cargo to the ISS, the Cygnus XL is set to deliver an impressive 11,000 pounds, around 4,990 kilograms, on this journey. Among the valuable supplies aboard the freighter are materials intended for producing semiconductor crystals in the unique environment of space, as well as equipment designed to enhance cryogenic fuel tanks. NASA officials have highlighted that the spacecraft will also deliver a specialized ultraviolet light system aimed at preventing the growth of microbial communities in water systems, along with supplies for creating pharmaceutical crystals that could potentially treat cancer and other serious diseases. The Cygnus XL, named SS William Willie McCool in honor of one of the NASA astronauts who tragically lost his life in the 2003 Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, is expected to arrive at the ISS on Wednesday, September 17 at 6:35 a.m. EDT, 10:35 GMT. Unlike some spacecraft that dock autonomously, the Cygnus will be captured by the ISS's Canadarm2 robotic arm. NASA will also provide a live stream of this arrival, starting at 5 a.m. EDT, 0900 GMT on Wednesday. Once it reaches the ISS, the NG-23 Cygnus will remain attached to the space station until March 2026, at which point it will depart and re-enter Earth's atmosphere, where it will burn up. In contrast to the Cygnus, which is designed for single use, Russia's Progress freighter, which recently arrived at the ISS on September 13, is also disposable. However, SpaceX's Dragon capsule, the third operational cargo vehicle currently servicing the ISS, is designed for recovery and refurbishment after its ocean splashdowns. If you're passionate about space and want to stay updated on the latest missions, rocket launches, and skywatching events, consider joining our space forums. We encourage you to share your thoughts, news tips, or corrections at community@space.com. Michael Wall, a senior space writer at space.com since 2010, specializes in topics such as exoplanets, spaceflight, and military space. He has also explored the realm of space art. His book, Out There, which delves into the search for extraterrestrial life, was published on November 13, 2018. With a PhD in evolutionary biology from the University of Sydney and a bachelor's degree from the University of Arizona, Michael brings a wealth of knowledge to his writing. You can follow him on Twitter to keep up with his latest projects.